Jurgen Klopp's tenure at Liverpool has been a transformative period for the club. When he took over in October 2015, the club was valued at around €350 million. Under his management, this figure skyrocketed to nearly €4 billion, making Liverpool one of the most valuable sports clubs in the world. Klopp is both loved and criticised, but his impact on Liverpool is undeniable. From the start, Fenway Sports Group, led by John Henry and Michael Gordon, recognised his potential not just as a football coach, but as someone capable of running a global football enterprise. Gordon, with his decades of experience in hedge fund management, saw Klopp as more than a coach. He saw a leader capable of managing the club's business alongside its performance. By 2019, Klopp had delivered Liverpool's sixth Champions League title, a crowning achievement that solidified his place among the best managers in the world. He was named World Coach of the Year, having led his team to victory over Tottenham Hotspur in the final. His ability to revitalise Liverpool into a European powerhouse speaks to his tactical brilliance, but it was also his leadership off the pitch that elevated the club. Klopp's approach to management went beyond football. He delegated responsibilities, ensuring the right people were in place to handle the club's business side. Michael Edwards was promoted to sporting director in 2016, and Peter Moore, a former top executive at Microsoft, was brought in to handle business matters. This structure allowed Klopp to focus on the team's performance while the club's financial value grew. A key aspect of Klopp's leadership was the personal connection he made with everyone at the club. Early in his tenure, he made it a point to learn the names of all 80 staff members at the training ground, ensuring they felt part of the club's success. This attention to detail and focus on unity created a strong sense of family within Liverpool, where every individual felt valued. His managerial skills also extended to attracting high-profile sponsors. Global corporations like Google, Apple, and BMW sought his leadership for insights, and his endorsement deals brought in millions. Yet, despite his commercial success, Klopp remained grounded, focusing on the emotional bond he shared with the fans and the club. As Klopp's time at Liverpool draws to a close, he reflects on his journey, comparing himself to a sports car running low on fuel. His decision to leave is not a result of losing passion, but an understanding that he can no longer give 100%, something he always demands of himself. His departure marks the end of a remarkable era, leaving behind a legacy of trophies, unity, and a transformed football club poised for continued success on and off the pitch.